How to cancel an order on Shopify. So here from the left hand side, we will click on orders, which is the second option, and then choose the order which you would like to cancel. For example, this person has not paid me. This is a test order, but if they haven't paid you or you want to cancel it for another reason, then once this page has loaded, we will click on more actions here and you will see the option to cancel order. Now we will have to select the reason for cancellation, customer changed or cancelled order, fraudulent order, staff error, or other. And you can restock the inventory and send a notification to the customer. So you can just cancel this order here and it will show like so, cancelled. So nothing has been paid here. And now what we can do is archive this order if it's not already archived from this option right here. And as you can see now, it will show us that the fulfillment status is unfulfilled. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.